Barça fans, we're back with a huge update from Camp Nou. And trust me, the changes since last week are massive. From concrete pours and glass walls to fences, lighting, and new seating, the stadium is transforming at full speed. But are we really on track for the deadlines? Let's dive into the latest progress inside and outside this legendary stadium. Here's the big story off the pitch. UEFA inspectors just spent 4 hours inside Camp Nou, and their verdict is clear. Barcelona cannot return until 5 critical conditions are met. First, the club needs a full certificate of completion. Second, an electrical inspection. Third, an official review by the city council. Fourth, reports from civil protection. And fifth, final approvals from the fire department and municipal police. Without these, Barça will have to keep playing away from home, possibly even Champions League nights at Girona's stadium or Montjuic's. Let's start with the corner near Al-Walada Street, where workers just poured concrete for the base of a new tower crane. The parking area is buzzing with activity. Formwork panels are going up fast, columns are multiplying, and the surfaces are gradually being closed. It's tough, detailed work, with crews fitting panels at tricky angles. Little by little, the whole section is taking shape. A crucial step before this corner can be finished off in granite. Walking around, one of the most striking updates is how many fences and access gates have been installed. New Jersey barriers, checkpoints, and tall fences now define entire areas of the site. The southern goal, in particular, is becoming clearer with road layouts and staircases nearly in place. Workers are also preparing lighting poles, though some are still missing. These details matter because they'll dictate how fans enter and move around the stadium once it reopens. Inside, the VIP sections are a hive of activity. Concrete is being poured to level out floors, new seating similar to Johan Cruyff Stadium has been installed, and the second level of the VIP area is taking shape for future corporate boxes. Glass panels, railings, and lighting systems are also being fitted. These areas will bring in big revenue for the club, so progress here is essential. Still, adjustments and reworks are slowing things down in places. Up at the northern goal and higher levels, the third observation points are advancing. Formwork panels are being carefully set, so concrete pours don't slip, and protective nets remain in place to safeguard workers. About half of the upper floors are under construction, with new panels and coatings going up daily. The diamond section is also rising visibly above the parking structure, signaling the stadium's new silhouette. Slowly but surely, Camp Nou is stretching skyward again. The access diamonds and staircases are moving forward, with several levels now complete. At the south goal, we see stairs already in place, while platforms and lifts are working non-stop to add more. But there are still doubts. Some insiders suggest the stadium might not be ready for early returns, and Barcelona may need the Olympic Stadium until February. That shows just how complex and interconnected the work really is, with even small fixes causing ripple effects. So, what stands out this week? The massive concrete pours, fences and access gates locking into place, the steady rise of staircases, and big leaps in the VIP and North Goal areas. Rumors say Barça might need more time before returning home, but the progress on site is undeniable. Next week we'll see even more glass, more lighting, and hopefully some finished entrances. Step by step, Camp Nou is coming back to life. If you enjoyed this update, hit that like button and subscribe to Goat Sports'. We cover every beam, seat, and surprise at Camp Nou. Don't miss next week's update. Things are about to speed up.